Hello, my name is Marissa, and today I'll be doing a Boundless Brilliance experiment with you guys. Today's experiment is called Magical Milk Art, and for this experiment, what you will be needing is first a pie tin, or you can use a shallow plate or bowl, 3 to 4 colors of food coloring, milk, and dish soap, and also cotton swabs. So this is just a fun and easy experiment that you guys can do at home. And the majority of these materials I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find in your house. So the first step in this experiment is to get your pie tin or shallow bowl or plate and fill it with milk, and make sure to be covering the bottom. You don't have to use all your milk, you can save some for later. So it just covers the bottom of the milk. And then the next step in this experiment is to take your food coloring. So of your colors, use about a couple of drops for each color that you have. So I'll be doing that right now. After that, it should look something just like just dots around in the pie tin. For reference, like that. And then the next step is to take one of your cotton swabs and dip the tip in dish soap, and then you're going to now just swirl the surface of the milk where the food coloring is, and as you swirl it, you'll see what is happening, and you can just play around with it and see how when you dip the cotton swab, the food coloring is like shying away from it. Well, this is because the milk contains fat in it, and in fat there's bonds that are connected, and the dish soap is used to break down that oil and fat and break those bonds and break that surface tension. So that's the reason why when you dip your Q-tip, all the colors are shying away. You can see. You can experiment differently, like you can maybe use a different type of milk. You can be using maybe half and half creamer, or you can use soy milk. I used regular whole fat milk. Maybe you can even use chocolate milk. Another thing you can maybe do is once you drop each food coloring dot, you can take your cotton swab with the dish soap on the tip and directly touch the middle of each food coloring drop and see what happens. Well, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment. Thank you.